Hey up YouTubers, Simon B here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe out there. Well, here you are again in the studio. Well, not much of a studio. It's where I do all my editing stuff and everything behind you you don't want to see. Another product been sent to me. Want me to try it, see what it's like, see what it does. Similar to the last one that we did. The guys from Carpuride got in touch with me and said, would you like to have a look at our product and see what you think of it. So this one is the 702 BMW. So this has the mount that fits onto your GPS mount on your BMW, whether it be an RS, XR, GS, 1200, 1300, this will work through that. You won't better use the toggle button, but you won't need to because this is a 7-inch screen. So if you fancy an unboxing of a 702 BMW or the 702, which it is without the mount, as they say, stick around and stay tuned.
Like and subscribe.
You can't beat an unboxing, can you? So yeah, this is the Carpuride 702 BMW. So this is the 702, which is the 7-inch screen for all your motorcycles out there. But this is the BMW version because I believe, I haven't opened it yet, it comes with the connector that allows you to plug this straight into your Garmin GPS mount on your BMW motorcycle. We'll just clarify that information whilst we unbox it. So it came from Carpuride. There is some others out there. We did one not so long ago. The good thing about this one is it's 7-inch. Nicely packaged as usual. It looks like it's got a screen protector on it. I like to leave them on really. If it'll work with them on, I'll leave it on. Full 7-inch with the sun guard. Oh look, it's already got the mount on, connect it to the GPS mount on the BMW. So other places that I've seen this comes separate, and I believe it just uses 2 of the pins in it on the cradle itself for the power. So that's a rather large 7-inch screen. Very nice. What else is in the box? Open the box. It comes with its own universal, what you would say, a RAM mount. As per usual, it comes with a USB to power. What else has it got in the box? Full power lead. So this probably power lead is from 12-volt battery. Fuse in it, which can then connects to the Carpuride, which is good. Also comes with a spandoolie, which fits onto that bracket there. Hey, they think of everything, these guys, don't they? So this goes straight onto the BMW. So we'll go and stick this on the GS, see what it looks like, and get it powered up, eh? See you in a bit. Welcome back YouTubers, in the garage with the GS. We're in a bit of a mess here at Simon B HQ. We've built something outside and we're busy doing some groundworks and stuff, so we're a bit limited on space and there's stuff everywhere. I've got machinery in the garage that I'm using outside and the 2 bikes outside, and it's just, anyway, let's have a look at this Carpuride on the GS then, shall we? So let's take the sat nav off. Maybe obsolete, maybe in the anybody wants to buy one, it may be, you never know. People don't know how to use them, do they? That's the problem. So the Carpuride should just click straight on as that came off, because it has the toggle on the bottom. It plugs in first time on, press it back in, push the toggle back in that you would usually do with your sat nav, the slider, and that's it in. Beautiful. That's how big the screen is. So much bigger than the sat nav. We'll get it connected and we'll show you how it all works. As I say, see you in a bit. Hey up YouTubers, welcome back. The Carpuride 702. I did this once before, a couple of days ago, and for some reason on the GoPro the hyper smooth was off. So I looked at the footage, I started capturing the footage and editing it within 30 seconds. I got a bit of motion sickness, so I thought, well, I can't use that, so I'm going to do this again. So on the GS, and I'm going to show you the sort of startup procedure of how it works. Everything's been connected before, so it should be automatically, you shouldn't have to do anything with it. As soon as we turn the GS on, it powers up. The sound of the output is outputting from the thing itself, and once it's connected, that's me, Cardo just told me it's connected, and it automatically goes into Android Auto, just like that. That's all you've got to do. The music's playing quite loud, so I'm just going to turn that off because I can't see because it's too loud. Has all the information on, tells you the time, your battery life on your phone, so it's basically your phone but bigger. We went somewhere the other day. Where did we go? We went for an MOT the other day. That's where we went, so we're going to go today anyway. It says closed. Well, it is. So that's your Google, which is normal. Apparently you can put GPX files into Google, don't know that yet, but I'm going to have a look. Now for some reason again, I thought I'd just turn that off. So yeah, the thing itself doesn't actually sit central to the cockpit. It sits a little bit low. I think people with TFT screens can't see the top of their TFT screens, which possibly could be an issue, a slight bit of an issue. And the thing that's sort of going to bother me is that, oh, she's talking to me now, is the thing that is I usually use this as a heads-up display, because the speedo on the analog clocks of the GS are a little bit cack, aren't they? You can't really see them. One of the good things is of having it all together and playing your music through it, that all the volume's the same volume. There's nothing worse of having the Garmin. If you've had the Garmin and you've had alerts on it, even though when you turn it down, it's about 4 times as loud as your music and it nearly deafens you. I've had that issue with the Garmin stuff, so you know what I mean, there's all these like teething things and all these good things, positives and negatives, and I don't think there's anything out there that's the most perfect thing. One thing I did look on, I did Google for before, was trying to find a navigation app that can come on Android Auto that you can add GPX files to. Because if it did that, a lot of my routes that I do wherever I go, I have a GPX file. I don't use Google because Google usually takes you to just there by the straight route, doesn't it? Which in certain circumstances is good, but other circumstances it's not. So we can, I'm going to start looking into that and probably do another video, because if we could find something that does that, the 5-inch one that I have, I could stick on the Enduro bike and use it for that. The screen itself doesn't really need touchscreen gloves, I believe. This isn't touchscreen, and it works. So, just a crow. You don't really need touchscreen gloves for that touchscreen. which is a nice feature, and also it's still got its plastic wrapping on, the protection that comes with it. So if you took that off, it'd be even more sensitive, and it would work easier. Look at this. Don't take the mickey out of my music. I don't know what the view would be like up here this morning. I used it the other day. I've used it a few times now. You can't see the revometer and stuff like that, but you can see the main screens and stuff. It could, I don't know, do you really want to move it up? I don't know. The Carpuride 701 BMW, what else does it do? Well, you've got all your communication stuff on it, WhatsApp, and then whatever you press, it comes up. Press it again, it goes back. That's basically desktop. You can change all that into your settings on your phone. So we've got weather at the moment that's where the rain should be. That's where we're at the moment. So we'll go back to our normal screen. So we've still got our music and whatever you press, it goes full screen. Press it again. Yeah, you've got to press that, and it goes double screen. So they're the two sort of things, and I'm sure you can do something else and put two other things that you want it on it. 7-inch, better than a 5-inch. Ask your wife. What's sort of not to like, really? You've seen that view before, haven't you? You'd probably say, no, we haven't. You have. Dudden Estuary. All the way up to the River Dudden at the top. Got Millham over there. And if it was a bit of a better day, you could have seen the Isle of Man. So there you go, YouTubers. That's the bit of an introduction into the Carpuride 702. This is the BMW version. They do it complete now. It's a little bit cheaper than buying it separately. But once if you buy the BMW, you can stick it, because it comes with the mounts that the original one does. You can put it on any other bike. It doesn't have to clip it onto your BMW. So you've got a couple of bikes that it can move over. Just a bit of an introduction and a bit of a show of the basics of what it does. Over the next few weeks when I'm riding the GS, I'm going to start putting a few more bits and bats into it, some other apps, hopefully get something with a GPX file that you can upload to it, which will be good. So yeah, all good at the moment. A couple of niggly things, but hey, change in it, that's the problem. Nobody likes change. Link down below where you can buy it from. It's an affiliated link. If you do purchase from there, I get a little bit of a kickback, which would be nice if you did want to buy one and you did buy it from there. There's also a it's a $50 discount code of 40 quid. It's the code is Simon B. I'll be down in the description box below. It's supposed to be summer. Yesterday was nice. We're out yesterday. Today's a bit cack. Oh yeah, forgot. If you've been watching the socials and you saw me post on YouTube the other day, we now have merch available. Check out the influencerstore.co.uk. You've got .co.uk or .com, one of them. The Influencer Store. We have a storefront there. You buy t-shirts and hoodies from, mugs. Going to start doing caps, and we're looking at probably doing a couple of limited edition prints, and you'll find that out soon with the next video after this, probably, what all that's about. So yeah, if you're riding out there, ride safe, be safe, keep safe. Everybody's out on the motorbikes at the moment. I've been out for ages and riding beyond their capabilities, so behave yourselves and keep safe, and as they say, we'll see you soon.
like and subscribe.